Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the day 4 of our spoken English practice. And in this video I'm going to guide you how to talk about your daily routine, because talking about our daily routine help us to any kind of conversation. Okay, in daily routine you can go step by step. For example, you can say at first say your morning routine, after that say your afternoon routine, after that say your evening routine, and at last say your night routine. Okay, for morning you can say that I wake up at 6 a.m. and I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I take bath, and I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to school at 8:30. Okay, I learn English, math, science in the school. And for afternoon you can add other sentences like at afternoon I have my lunch, and I play with my friends at the break time, and I have come back to home at 3 p.m. and after coming home I take rest, and after resting for a while I do my homework, and sometimes I also help my parents in their work. This is for afternoon. And for evening routine you can say that in the evening I also spend time with my friends. I play with them, and or sometimes I watch TV. Okay, this thing you can add this thing in the evening routine, and add other routine in for the night routine. Okay, you can say at 8 p.m. I have my dinner, and after dinner I pack my bag for the next day, and before going to the bed I read for a while, and I brush my teeth again, and I go for a sleep at 10 p.m. And at last just try to say at least 7 or 6 sentences together. Okay, you can combine all the routine together. Okay, try to speak at least 6 or 7 sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to school, and I have my lunch at 1 p.m. or at the break time in school, and I come back from the school, I take a rest, and I do my homework. Okay, then I go with my friends for playing, and at night I have my dinner at 8 p.m. this thing. Okay, you can try to combine at least 6 or 7 sentences together. Okay, this will helpful for you, and I hope this video will helpful for you, and we will meet in the next video. And till then, take care and bye bye.